Hello and welcome to Meadow Brown Bakery. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this quick batch of brownies. Before we get started, head over to my website, meadowbrownbakery.com. Sign up if you haven't already done so, and then close the page. Go to the courses website where you'll find a list of courses available to buy on my website. When you find the one that you like, you just click on it and you'll be taken to a sales page where there'll be a video telling you more about the course, and there'll be a bit more information down the page about what's involved in the course, and then you click buy and follow the buying process. I've got some butter and chocolate in a bowl. I'm going to put this in the microwave and then switch it on to melt the butter and the chocolate. Okay, the butter is melted, but the chocolate isn't. But I will stir this until the chocolate melts because there's heat from the butter. So I've stirred this until the chocolate is melted. Now I'm going to add my sugars. There's custard sugar and brown sugar. Some vanilla extract. It's a vanilla bean paste with the seeds in it, and it smells amazing. I'm going to add in my egg and mix. Okay. Now I'm going to add in some flour and cocoa powder. And I also have some white chocolate chunks and some dark chocolate chunks, which I'm going to add and mix. Now I'm going to put this in my prepared cake tin. I've baked this mixture in a takeaway tray before, but this one, the one I have is quite small for this mixture. But if you have one that's big enough, you can line it with some baking paper and you can bake it in there, and you leave them to cool. It saves you on the washing up. And I'm going to spread it, and finally I'm going to add some sprinkles on top. You don't have to do this, but I like the colors. Okay. Now this is going to go in the oven for a few minutes until slightly firm on top. Okay, the brownies are ready. To check if they're ready, you put a toothpick right in the middle. For brownies, it mustn't come out clean. There have to be a bit of batter on them. That gives them the gooey and chewy taste. So I've left them to cool in the baking tray. I'm going to cut a slice. And show you what they look like inside. Look at that, gooey and delicious. Thanks for watching, and see you again soon. For more videos like this, visit my website www.meadowbrownbakery.com. Please like and subscribe to my channel.